Hey everyone, welcome back once again to my channel. And today we are discussing one more business economic concept in a quick and practical manner. So without wasting much time, let's get back to the video. So today we are covering chapter 4 of CA Foundation Business Economics, that is price determination in various market, in which in this video we are covering unit 1, where it is meaning and types of market. So let's get started. Understanding market and price determination. Firstly, what is market? A market is a place where buyer and sellers come together to exchange goods or services. This can be a physical location like bazaar or shop, or a virtual like platform like online platform. Then comes elements of a market. So what are the things that we need in order to call a market? First, buyers, that are individuals or organizations looking to purchase goods or services. Then comes sellers. Sellers are nothing but individuals or firms offering goods or service for sale. Third, product or service. These are items that are exchanged. And fourth is the price, that is the amount of money expected, required, or given in payment of something. Now you may think, what is price? So price is the monetary value assigned to a product or service. It reflects the amount that buyers are willing to pay and sellers are willing to accept. Now there are classifications of market based on various factors. We will be covering one by one. So first, based on the geographical area. So first is in which the first market is local market, a farmers market in a small town where local residents buy fresh produce and homemade goods is an example of local market. Then comes national market. So a supermarket chain like Walmart that operates across the entire country, offering a wide range of products to customer in different states. And third comes international market, that is a company like Apple which sells its product, that is iPhone, iPads, to customers all around the world. Now comes second class category, that is based on nature of goods. So in that, first one is commodity market. So the crude oil market where raw oil is bought and sold. This market deals with standardized basic products that are interchangeable. Then comes consumer goods market, that is the market for our everyday items like clothing, food, and household products, such as those are sold at Amazon or Flipkart. Target could be another one. Then comes capital goods market, the market for machinery and equipment used in our productions, such as industrial robots or printing press bought by manufacturing companies. And the third category is based on regulations. First one is regulated market. This means the stock market where the buying and selling of stocks are governed by rules and regulations set by financial authorities to protect investors and ensure fair trading. And then comes unregulated market, that is the flea market where vendors sell a variety of goods without restrict oversight or regulatory requirements, leading to a less formal transaction. Now comes the market structure. So types of market structure. Market structure describes the characteristics and dynamics of the market. The main types are as above. First is permanent competition, perfect competition. Second is monopoly. Third is monopolistic competition, and fourth is oligopoly or oligopoly. First, price determination in different market structure. Perfect competition. Its definition is a market where many small firms selling identical products. Firms are price takers and cannot influence the market price. The agriculture sector, such as wheat farming in Punjab. The price determination, the price is determined by the intersection of industrial goods and supply. Example could be, if the market demand for wheat is 10,000 kgs as rupees 20 per kg, and the market supply is also 10,000 kgs. The equilibrium price is rupees 20 per kg. So demand equals to supply. Then comes monopoly market, or it is defined as a single firm that controls the entire market with no close substitute. The firm is the price maker, means they decide the price. Example is Indian Railways, the sole provider of rail transport. Now the price determination. The monopolistic sets the price where marginal revenue equals to marginal cost. The example could be if marginal revenue is 50 and marginal cost is 30, the monopolistic might set the price at 50 to maximize profit. Since they are the price controller, they will set the price such that they will get more profit. Third comes monopolistic competition. That is, here many firms sell differentiated products, allowing some control over pricing. Example could be shampoo brands in India like Dove and Pantene, which differs in features and pricing. Here price determination. Firms set prices based on differentiation, aiming to maximize where marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost. Example could be if a firm finds marginal revenue equals to 15 and marginal cost equals to rupees 10 for its unique shampoo, it might price the product at rupees 15. And the fourth come oligopoly, that is a few large firms dominate the market. Prices may be rigid due to competition or collusion. Example could be telecom industry, where players like Jio, Airtel and Idea Vodafone or Vodafone Idea. The price determination. Prices are influenced by computers' action, often leading to stability or price wars. Example is if Jio sets a price of rupees 199 for a data plan, Airtel might follow suit to remain competitive. Now comes MG Extras, where we will be sharing an activity or something which will help you to understand the concept better. So for today's MG Extra, we have analyze different mobile data plans for major providers like Jio, Airtel and Vodafone. Examine how price competition affects the plans and service offered. So you need to just analyze things and see how the oligopoly works. And in conclusion, understanding these market structures helps in analyzing how prices are determined across various industries. Whether it's competitive pricing in agriculture or a strategic pricing in telecom, each market has unique characteristics influencing how businesses set prices and compete. So that's it from the video. Thank you. Bye bye.